Hi, I'm Elizabeth from the Perennial House, Maison des Fleurs Vivaces, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to place an internet order with us. Before we start, make sure to have your Maison des Fleurs Vivaces login and password handy. You should have received them by email from maison@fleursvivaces.com. If ever you can't find them in your inbox, you may check your spam folder. And if you still can't find this email, please reach out and we will create an account for you. To place an order with us, you need to go to our website, fleursvivaces.com, and click on Commander, Order. You should now see this page, enter your credentials, and log in. Before showing you how to place an order, I'd like to give you a quick overview of the user interface and the different menus. Week here corresponds to the first week of delivery you can pick. So you can use the drop-down menu to pick your delivery week, or you can use the previous or next buttons. You can see that the system gives you the possibility to order for 5 weeks at a time, which is very convenient. So you can place orders for five weeks at the same time. Here, form corresponds to the different categories of products you can order. So perennials, for instance, or herbs or vegetables. So you can select one category of product at a time, or you can also choose all forms if you wish to place your order for all categories at once. You have the container size here. Plants here indicate the number of pots per tray. So for gallons, it's 6 pots per tray, and for smaller plants, it's 8 pots per tray. The number you can see here, 48 or 100, corresponds to the number of trays we have available. So for instance, in week 20, you can order up to 100 trays of Achillea moonshine. At the bottom of the screen here, there is more information about the variety selected. So cultural information, and there is also a picture, and you can click on it to make it bigger. To place an order, you first need to select your first week of delivery here using the drop-down menu, or you can also use the previous and next buttons. Next, you need to select the category of products. So let's say I want to start with the perennials. And next, you can pick the quantities in the number of trays you wish to order. So I can order here for 2 weeks at the same times because there is no other availabilities for the following weeks. I add the products to my cart. Now that I'm done with the perennials, I can keep going and I can order grasses. So same thing, I enter the quantities in number of trays, making sure I check the inventory at the same time. I click on add and I can check out. Now you need to select your ship to address using the drop-down menu. If ever you can't see the address you want to use for the shipping, you can add a new one. You can add a PO number, and you can also add notes, for instance, if you want to give indications to our driver. And next, you just have to submit the order. So I've submitted one order for 1 week, as you see here. And I'm going to receive an email with the confirmation of this order. Something very important to know is that you need to submit each order for each week. So I hit continue. And here you can see the order for May the 13th. And same process, select the address and submit order. And that's it.